the glass and you only see gray. I'll be the one to wash the shadows away. I won't see the failure or the things you regret. I see the goal that the world hasn't met. It's a deliberate vision, a benevolent eye, finding the truth beneath every lie. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, vulnerability is the bridge to the heart, the courage to show every broken down part. I listen to the mess, I'll edit the pain until your own spirit feels steady again. Benevolence is the frequency we choose, the only way that we never can lose. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. Oh, one vibration. Oh, don't just be yourself if yourself is in chains. Break through the ego and the emotional rain. Share the anxiety, the doubt and the fear. That is the moment when heaven is near. In this roots rhythm, we finally find the peace and the power of a benevolent mind. I'll be your mirror, I'll be your light, showing your beauty in the middle of the night. It's a skill we develop, a love we must grow, healing the seeds that we're starting to sow. One heart, one vibration. One vibration. Master the reflection. Love is the mirror. Jaga. Thoughts are a tangle, a mess of a vine. You can't see the logic or the master design, but sit with a friend and let the words flow, and watch how the clarity starts to grow. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold, leaving the stories that have already been told, clarifying the vision, clearing the mind, leaving the static and the chaos behind. You're just a person who's a little afraid. Let's rewrite the script, let's fix the scene, and find the person that you've always been. We're in the editing room, sorting the gold. Oh, 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 yeah. We walk this earth thinking love is just a breeze, that it falls from the sky and puts our hearts at ease. But the roots of a brother, the roots of a friend, take our patient gardener for the branches to bend. It's not just about being who you naturally are, it's about how you listen when the soul has a scar. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Make each other whole, yeah. Make each other whole, yeah. When the world throws a stone and you stumble in the dark, a true friend won't judge the shadows in your spark. They offer a version of you that is kind, editing the mess that is tangled in your mind. Vulnerability is the key to the game, sharing all the fears that we carry like weight. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Dwelling in two bodies, practice the art, master the heart. Let's laugh, the madness, the irony of life, a playful connection to cut to the strife. It's a long-term mission, a slow-growing tree. The more that I help you, the more I am free. In the rhythm of trust, in the globe of the truth. Wisdom for the elders, a map for the youth. Friendship is a skill, a conscious vibration, healing the mind through a deep conversation. Don't just stand by, be a witness to the soul. With a benevolent heart, we make each other whole. Learn to be a friend, it's a work of art. But without the word, the hearts will drift. It's a master skill that we must acquire to keep the flame of the spirit on fire. Master the love, master the care, like a sacred breath in the morning air. It's a conscious walk, a deliberate road, sharing the weight of the heavy load. Study the silence, study the word, hear the things that are seldom heard. Practice the art of being a friend from the beginning until the end. Master the love, master the care. Oh, na na, oh, la la. Morning dust on my feet, red clay on my hands. I feel the ground breathing under the mango stands. Drum talk through the yard, slow steps in the rain. Every small thing moving, calling out my name. I've been listening low to the river and the reed. Something old is rising, teaching me what I need. Hold me in is too serious, the weight is too much. We lose the magic and we lose the touch. But a friend is the one who can find the joke and see the comedy in the fire and the smoke. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. The work of the art is meant to be fun. A playful connection, a resilient string to catch us when the bells of sorrow ring. Shared absurdity is the glue that will stick when the walls of the world get too heavy and thick. Don't be a statue, don't be a ghost. Laugh with the people that you love the most. Let's laugh at the madness, let's play in the sun. The world is shaking and the towers start to lean. Nothing is ever quite as simple as it seems. But when you're drifting on a broken piece of wood, I'll be the land where the righteous have stood. I'll be a solid ground, your foundation and your rock, the steady rhythm that can never stop. Rooted in the truth, anchored in the soul, helping the broken parts to become whole. having the courage to say how you feel, to show the cracks where the light comes through, and be completely honest with the old and the new. There is power in the weakness, strength in the tear, admitting the doubt and admitting the fear. It's the bridge to the heart, the path to the real, the only way that the spirit can heal. I'll show you my shadows if you show me yours. We'll open up the windows and open all the doors. No more pretending, no more the lie. Underneath the vast and the open sky, there is power in the weakness, strength in the tear. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh When the world looks at you and only sees the wrong, I'll be the one to hear your hidden song. I see the gold underneath the dirt and the dust. In a benevolent vision, we place our trust. Look through the eye of kindness, see the light within. Beyond the failure and beyond the sin, it's a conscious choice, a frequency we find, to be the healer of a troubled mind. to rest. Look through the eye of kindness. See the light within. See the light, see the oh, na 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 na. Building a bridge where there used to be a wall. Standing together so we never have to fall. It's not an accident, it's a blueprint we draw. Friendship is the highest form of the law. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be, safe from the storm and the raging sea. The architecture of trust, the design of the heart, mastering the skill, mastering the art. Of your sorrow and your pain, we'll build a shelter from the emotional rain. No judgment in the design, no pride in the stone. In this house of love, you are never alone. I am building a sanctuary, a place for you to be. words or the pain. I listen to the sinner and I listen to the saint. It's not just being quiet while you speak your mind. He's searching for the treasures that you need to find. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love, a gift from the earth and a gift from above. Master the skill of the listening ear until all the shadows start to disappear. Friendship is an echo, a resonance of love. Like a single seed in a desert of stone, we need the forest, we need the tribe to keep the spirit and the love alive. Rooted in wisdom, growing in grace, moving together at a steady pace. Friendship is the foundation, the ancient Friendship is a garden that we choose to grow, not a wild field where the cold winds blow. It takes a patient hand to pull out the weed and give the heart exactly what it needs. We are gardeners of the soul, planting seeds of trust, turning all the shadows into golden dust. It's a skill we practice, a labor of the life, keeping the spirit shining through the night. Don't just let the branches, don't just let the branches, don't just let the branches, don't just let the branches grow out of control. Prune the ego and liberate the soul. Benevolence is the water, kindness is the sun. The work of a friend is never truly done. We are gardeners of the soul, planting seeds of trust, turning all the shadows into golden dust. Silence isn't empty, it's a space to be filled with the words of a brother whose spirit is chill. We walk through the valley of ego and pride, but a friend is the person who walks by your side. Not just for the laughter, not just for the sun, but for the moments when you feel you're the only one. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration, one heart, one vibration. Bring me your shadows, your failures and shame. I won't look for the person that you used to blame. I'll give you a version of you that is bright when your own inner vision has lost all the light. Vulnerability is the strength of the soul. It's the only medicine that can make us whole. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that house of clay. Let the light of a friend wash the sorrow away. We're editing the story, we're changing the script. From the chains of the lonely, our spirits are stripped. In this dub vibration, we finally see that loving each other is what sets us free. Listen to the echo, listen to the sound of a heart that is searching for solid ground. It's a skill we practice, a love we must grow, like the seeds of the mountain that we start to sow. One heart, one vibration. One heart, one vibration. Hear the silence, master the art of this soul. One love, one love. Oh yeah, oh stone by stone, stone by stone, oh, stone by stone, we build a tower. Minute by minute and hour by hour, foundation laid in the soil of truth. From the wisdom of age to the fire of youth, the architecture of trust is a holy sight. Standing tall in the middle of the night, built by the hands of a faithful friend, on a love that will never, ever end. Yeah. If a crack appears in the middle of the wall, we'll fix it together before it can fall. No storm can shake what is built with grace in this hallowed and sacred space. The architecture of trust is a holy site. Yeah. Na 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 na, oh na na na. judge and to blame. We are often get lost in the shadows of shame. But the brother don't look with a critical eye. He sees the truth beneath every lie. It's a conscious movement, a choice of the soul, to help a broken spirit become whole. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. When you fail and you think you've lost your way, I remind you of the light in the middle of the day. I let it the chaos inside of your head and speak words of life that were left unsaid. Vulnerability is the bridge we must cross to find the gold inside of the lost. Send out a benevolent vibration, healing the wounds of every nation. Friendship is an art that we must master, moving beyond every disaster. One heart, one life, one soul. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Heavy load, don't just be natural, be intentional and kind. Leave the ego and the pride behind. In this roots rhythm, we learn to be free. In the reflection of you and me.